Good fight. Wait, let it hit it.
It's catfish.
It's not on yet.
And it looked like a catfish.
Don't set the hook.
Okay, all right.
Got a bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
There you go. Okay.
You got your plan.
Oh, missed it.
Red earlier.
Oh wait, no, you didn't see the message.
Hey, you sell those needles?
The splicing needles? Yeah. 20 bucks.
Oh yeah?
It's about $5 cheaper than everybody else.
I've been trying to make them. I've been trying to make one to do it. I can't do it. Like
Oh, believe me, dude. If I can make them before, if I
close, and I was like, dude, I was so pissed. I didn't want to go eat. Pickety snack. It wasn't smooth enough. I was like, oh man. I said, I'm gonna see him. I'll get one.
All right. Can I move yours over?
Doing this and everything from behind.
I heard a drum rodeos before, but
what's he doing? What's he doing? Playing with his rod. I got a big one.
Shit, the first day I brought it out, it sat out there for like 6-7 hours before it finally got picked up. But yeah. I think that's gonna sound pretty cool on there. Let's see how it looks.
Yeah, that's sweet. Let's see how I can do it.
Okay. So I'm off just a little bit. Okay, let's see.
Were you doing what the stick in there?
Yes, yeah, but I kept pulling them in and I still had bait, so yeah. Yeah, that's better.
Plenty of good big school company. Have like everybody fighting like 2 rods at one time.
Like in the 40 boats we go out behind a ship, motor ship.
Yeah.
Pushing 20 something rods go off. You know? One time it was cool, man. I was really just kind of sitting around. I was telling somebody, I never really caught a nice shark on it. They went running around and I was getting close. I went around like 20 people. Went around to the other side of the boat and just took it off. There was about a 5 minute back in the world.
Go fight.
Wait, let it hit it.
It's catfish.
It's not on yet.
And it looked like a catfish.
Don't set the hook.
Okay, all right.
You're a pretender.
Yeah, I know. That's how I got it.
Put that on the go for a big one. He saw I'm already tired. Oh yeah, this one's giving a good fight, guys. Oh yeah, let's see what we got here. Oh man, I'm loving this video deal. Now I can talk to y'all while I'm up on the rail fighting the fish and give y'all a little more insight. Come on, fish turn. he's fighting. Alright, let me grab him to the net. Oh yeah. Yeah, a little bigger.
I'll be a 38 or 39er.
As long as it's 39, I'll be all right.
No, it's 40 now.
Well, I'm not in there, but.
What's Daniel's?
They got a 42 in first or something like that?
42's in first and a 40's in second.
Yeah, that hook wasn't coming out.
Don't love it.
Here. Oh. There you go. There we go. Thanks, sir. Oh, let's see. Let me get a quick little measurement on it.
37.5.
Yeah. There's, yeah. Oh yeah, good little fish right there. All right.
Don't be staring off the roof.
Nothing's getting away from this leader.
Leak now. They're going to charge you for that.
Yeah.
Like the roof's going to leak now. It's good.
Send it to you.
Thank you.
I can't stand the wind.
That's exactly what I was saying. It'll be all right.
Yeah, we found the spot.
The wind is your friend. Yeah.
All right, finally getting in on the action. been
Over here, huh?
right.
Catching it up.
Spinning rod, spinning. Oh, he got off.
Yeah, he did.
He got off.
Just jumped off.
Yeah.
Hey, let's keep it down over here. What's that?
Come back. He might come back. What was that? Was that you, Oscar?
No more chicken dinner.
Carl said, check this out.
I didn't touch
Making sure the dock demon's in the video.
What test light do you have on that?
I got 60-pound backing and 80-pound top start. No, it'll pull in the fish. Probably break my wrist, but it'll pull in the fish.
That'll be a home watch TV.
So you're saying I got to go live? Right?
Fish whatever I want.
Oh yeah.
So getting out of here?
Oh, take it. Take it. You know you want it. You got too much line on that reel, ball. I love the way the grip's done.
Yeah.
But that was redone, or you originally had it like that?
That's the way they built it a long time ago. Like that with the, they added that piece and split it, did it all the way. The other one has a Confederate flag. They're twins, but the other one has Confederate flag and this one has the American flag. All right, see y'all later.
Later, guys. Y'all be safe. All right, your posture. You're a big guy, dude. You got big arms. Extend them.
Extend them out.
Extend it out like you're swinging an axe. Do you swing an axe like this?
No.
Or do you get into it? Same thing. Also, too, you got to look where you're reeling in. Don't place it up against the sides, because that's gonna, what it's gonna do, it's gonna go inside the spool and it's gonna lock up your braid. So actually, before you cast out, let's go over there real quick. Let's fix that. Right there, just
let it cast.
Just a light cast. You don't want to eat up that line. That's probably what's also hurting your cast too. All the way down, and just do a simple cast, get it out there. Oh, okay. We're gonna have to go. All right, real quick. Oh, okay. You got the line off?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Now reel in and keep it. See how level it is like that?
Yeah.
And do the same thing. Okay, real quick. When you reel, like this. You saw how I did that?
Yeah.
See how you're doing those X patterns? That's not. That's gonna fill it up too fast.
Right.
It's like stacking PVCs, nice and neat.
All right.
Okay. You can crank as fast as you want. You don't go back and forth fast. You go slow.
Okay.
This slow, that fast. Slow it down. Slow this down a little bit more. This a little more, that fast.
Okay.
See how you're still pushing it too fast? Like stop. You can see all the gappage that you're making?
Yeah.
You want to kind of keep it like you want to spool a thread. You know how it's all nice and neat?
Yeah.
That's what you want to do. You want to get nice and neat. So. There you go. That's better. There you go. See now you see how it's all nice and low. It ain't all piled up and stuff like that. All right. Okay. So now you got that. Now we'll go fix a cast.
Real doing all that work.
All right, and stand back here though. You want to stand back here because you're long enough that you're right on the rail.
Yeah.
So, all right. Watch the no, the floor is slippery. There you go. There you go. But hold it a little bit longer. You let it go way up high. Put it about 11 o'clock.
Good leaders.
Huh?
All this and then you don't sell them some good leaders.
I wasn't there for the sale.
Oh,
Wasn't me, man. It wasn't me. What's up?
What's up, boss? How you doing?
What's up?
how you doing, man?
Doing all right. Doing all right. What's up, fellas?
Yeah, no, I was actually over here. I was fishing with y'all when that sale went on.
Okay. No, I was just teasing you. I figured you'd make that sell too. Sell them some leaders.
Oh yeah.
Well, you're good. You got plenty of room, man.
That's what I worry about. That big heavy bag I got there. Shit, man. I'm gonna go take my
Yeah, he's going for it.
tomorrow, bro. I've been busy. Hey, tomorrow I want to come out here in the afternoon. So I gotta go do some on my island. But after lunch, I'm gonna go to the town. What is that? Hey, on Friday, I'm gonna have
Another fish on.
You're a little cuter, I was gonna say.
Show him your boobs. Show him your boobs. Damn it. Come on. Am I over or under? Come on.
Let me get that slack out.
Oh, I'm over. You're over me.
All over, okay.
Okay.
I think y'all two are still.
Yeah, I'm over you. I'm over you.
You're over me.
I'm over you. Go down. There we go. No, yeah, I'm under both of y'all. Yeah. Right here, right here. Hit. Oh yeah. Come on.
On your left.
Ready? This might be a keeper. Ooh, got him? Okay. That might be a keeper.
I've got a hole in it.
No.
Yeah, I saw it on the side. Oh, we're in the main up there. I got another. I got a step fish one. We're gonna hold on that motherfucker.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's done its duty. 200 of them smitted up.
There you go.
Oh yeah, the first night, 2 nights being out there, that is about what, 80? That was 2 years ago. That was the first 2 nights. Oh, Gary's got one just like it, and Sergio does too.
Can I borrow your ruler?
Yeah,
Wasn't trying to do that.
actually, Sergio, that's how I met him in the parking lot. I said over at the academy, but I said, Dad, they only have one more left. If you want it, you better go. 209.
33. Yep, you're 209. 33 right there. Oh yeah. Man. Yeah, I'm liking this thing because now when I speak, I can see it like registering my voice, and it's like, oh yeah. You on? Yeah, you are. You sure are.
It was swimming with the torch.
There you go.
Let it off.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, no, he's still there. He's got a little
Oh yeah. Yep, getting them. There he goes. Yep. Now we just need him to hit on that one. Yep. But I'm trying to get him to stop piling it up. See on the right side of the reel how he's piling it up like that? Time for you to land that fish. That's what time it is, bro. 7:35. It's fish 30, man. It's fish 30, and you're on it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's a nice one, too. You saw that big old tail? Yes, sir. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay. All right. Headache, don't move, boss. That's a nice fish, man. He's definitely putting up the fight.
43.
Oh, you in the tournament?
Yeah, yeah.
There you go. Yeah, I don't think he's 43, but he's in the high 30s. Let's see here. Oh, go ahead, boss.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Oh shit, that was not too bad.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, yeah. Do whatever you gotta do, boss. Woo! Yes, sir. That's a nice one. Real nice.
Yeah, you gotta get up there and it's gotta swim off, so.
Oh yeah, that's a beast, bro.
Get old Mike worked up.
Oh, he's over that, bro.
He's over that?
Yeah.
That'll give you an idea if he's in the zone.
He's over, yeah.
Is he over 40?
Nah.
38 and a half.
Well, it was about like that, so he's about 39 and a half, maybe 40.
Yeah, you're probably pretty close.
Yeah. I'd run it in.
Give me at least a workout.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get that, dude. Run your fish, bro. I got it.
Oh, you got a fish clamp, dude?
Appreciate it.
I'm sorry, man. Oh, you got. Oh, I see. I got. Yeah, it's a lot easier to clean. Or carry up there that way. Yeah, that's borderline there. Oh, we checked on that. That's 38 and a half. It's longer than that, so it's worth getting up there.
Yeah. Yeah, I just casted it and now it's already getting a hit. Here you go. Okay. There we go. I got the one on my right was also getting bumped, and the one in my hand is getting bumped too. I don't know. Maybe I get a double up. Give me a double up. Let's see. Might get a double because both of them were teeter-tottering. Yeah. No, but
Yeah, I didn't know that one.
yeah, no. So I told him where I was at, and then I got a call like 30 minutes later. He's you've already been exonerated. I was how? He hasn't talked to me. He goes, well, he found where your camp was. He already talked to the guys to the south and to the north of y'all, and they showed all the video footage they had, and you've been cleared already. I was like, all right, well, I mean, y'all gonna see the footage too when I get there. You don't gotta do it. He goes, no, I kind of figured that, but I got to do my due diligence. I was like, hey, dude, you protect that tournament. That's at the end of the day, we're friends and all, but it's the tournament. Like, you protect that name.
Oh, and I didn't realize that you can't use that on fish.
Yeah, that's a new rule. They just changed it a few years ago, so. But that's only on pins. That doesn't include the rest of the beach.
Yeah, but that's what I was saying. I was surprised. I was like, damn, okay. I'm glad I stumbled across that because I'd have been out there.
Yep. And I showed up to the tournament and I talked to the director, and he goes, yeah, it was some young punks trying to make a name for themselves by trying to get you busted. And I'm
They're
like,
always after you, right?
oh, bro, like.
I mean, you always been spoiling me and everything's cool, but I was like, damn, they're always after controversy.
Shoot.
The drone one, I was like, holy shit. Over there when y'all are
on Caldwell, yeah.
I was like, damn.
I mean, dude, you can see it with just cast out. With just the wind we have and the current, you see what it does to the bow in there. Now you can do that 500 yards.
Oh,
You're gonna have an even bigger bow, you know.
Oh yeah, the surf's got some vicious current sometimes.
Yeah, and I mean,
I was using 8-ounce spider waist fan, and then one day trying to pop no fish, man. It was like, boom! I was even throwing it at an angle, you know,
into the current.
It was freaking like, boom! I finally said, that was this shit. I told my brother, a little too much today. We got about 6, 7 pompano the day before. The hell, let's hit it again, you know. And the next day, man, I mean, I like it when it's moving for sure, you know, like everybody else. But golly, it was getting it.
Damn it!
Like a river going up that thing.
I heard some talking or whatever, so I turned back and saw them on the catwalk, but
It was almost at 40.
Yeah, the lead is 40.
is it almost at 40?
Yeah.
Oh, just
I was walking out whenever he had it there on the board.
Yeah, he was. Yeah,
So what? That second place or?
oh, 42nd already.
Oh, okay.
So he must be just under.
So he's on third then.
Third,
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Well, 40. The 40 is, well, yeah, no, this was right. Almost at 40.
Yeah.
Well, he must have made off like an 8 by 8.
Yeah.
That's all it takes, right? Game of inches. Game of
Literally. It was almost there, man.
Yeah, it looked.
Because they kept pinching the tail and everything.
Yeah, double checking, triple
Yeah.
checking.
It wasn't hitting the 40.
I like it when you just throw it on there. 40, 42. It's solid.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I think that guy this morning, Nathaniel, he said he caught a 43.5 last week when he went to the tournament.
Yeah. Yep.
1/8 inch short. 1/8 inch short.
First place?
1/16 of an inch short on it.
42.5 inches. It was 39 3/4.
That one.
I thought to look at him. The music stopped in your head and went.
I was trying to come up with the story to
Oh man.
38 pounds, 42 inches. It was a brute though.
Yep.
That was bad. That was bad.
Yeah, he was getting that, fixing to get that hump back.
The old guy was like, "Don't bring it up here unless it places." The young guy was like, "Bring it up. It's too hard to tell."
Oh, that was
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. I was about to say, bring them all. Got a whole lot of people out here.
Hey, even if it's a keeper, just bring it up and be like, hey, can you manage this?
Can I get away?
Yeah. Can you wait?
I know y'all need pictures for the wall.
He's complaining about how expensive the film is. He's like, "Man, I'd probably get you to start paying for the film." Because the kid was like, I'll put it on the wall. I was like, yeah.
Oh, they
Yeah, they took a picture. I said, I want that picture.
Mike's a funny and grumpy old man. He's a fucking. If you don't take it to heart, dude, he's funny as. Stand closer over here, because you got to remember when you start swinging forward, there's a chance you can hit the rail. Why do you think I'm standing like right up against it when I cast too? And remember, swinging the axe, bro. Extend that right arm.
broke it off. Oh, well, that's one thing.
Okay.
One thing good. You only had $1 liter on there. But the weight probably, I don't know. $5 total? Not too bad. You're up there about 10 or 15. 10.
You're holding your head like this.
Yeah. I'd rather hurt my hand than my head right now.
It's going like an axe. We cut it off.